Hello friends, it's Sandra here from Wallifyer.com and whimsydreamsclipart.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a super cute vintage style place card. And it's perfect for dinners and weddings and all those fancy happenings. If you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, you can join the Facebook group. You find a link below in the description where you can meet other creatives like you and learn even more about Canva. But now let's get started. First we go to canva.com, and I'm an affiliate of Canva, just so you know, but you find a link to sign up for Canva in the description below. You go to create a design here, and you write place card, and you find it here. You click it. As we are going to create our own designs, we are just going to collapse this. We start out by creating a background color for this. Go to Elements, scroll down, Grids. Now we're going to apply the background color, and I'm going to use a beige tone for this. So I have it pre-selected. Find a hex color in the description below. And now we're going to add the cute floral frame, and it's from the Gunnel pack in the Whimsy Dreams clip art shop. You find a link below. Of course, you can use whichever frame you want for this. You go to Uploads, upload an image or video, go to wherever you have stored your Gunnel files. You find a PNG section of the folder, because that means the background is transparent. And I'm going to use number 3. You go again to Elements, Grids, and make it a little bit smaller, like this. Go back to Uploads and drag the frame into it. Now you adjust the bounding box so your Gunnel frame doesn't get cut off in any way. So expand like this and just nudge it and adjust it. Make sure it is centered like this. Now we go to Elements, Grids again, and drag this down until you see that red line here. And just select whichever color here. This is just a tad lighter like this. And this is to make sure that we are centering the element in the middle of the design, so to speak. So when you fold it, the wreath is not here, or it's placed in the center of the place card. Then we highlight it and go to this lock function here. And now we can remove the background. And now we go to text and just drag a text block here into the frame. Adjust it like this and move it and centered. Now we're going to choose a font for this, and I have 2 fonts that are perfect for this design. One is for Canva Free and the other one is for Canva Pro, and I'm going to show you both variations. You go to this font selector here. First I'm going to show you the Pro version font. This is not available in the free Canva. But don't worry, as I said, I'm going to show you an alternative if you have the free version. So just click the Badhorse font. And you go here and triple click like this and write a name, or I'm just going to write Little Fairy because I like fairies. And maybe I have to make it a double space here. Maybe make it a tad smaller like this. I'm going to invite Little Fairy to my dinner here. And then you go to text color here, find photo colors, and Canva are picking up the colors from the gunnel wreath. So here are perfect colors for your fonts. Go with a darker color, and I think it's a little bit too light, so I go up here in the new color and just adjust it a little bit, just dragging it down to make it a little bit darker but in the same color space. So, and then I duplicate it, triple click, activated the whole thing, and seat 3, nudge it into place, and we can make it a tad smaller like this. Now I'm going to show you how this design looks with the Canva free font essay, this one, like this, little fairy seat 3. And now you're ready to go. But first we're going to file and show print bleed like this, and make sure that you know the background color here is going all out to the edges, so we can cut this off later on. We go to download, PDF print. This ensures crisp and clear prints. Activate, crop, marks and bleed, and download. And this is how the file looks printed. So now you get guidelines where to cut, so you don't get those smeary edges, which we don't like. So this is the way to do it. Now it's just to print this beauty and fold it, and you are ready to go. This is a super quick place card that you can make in minutes. So have fun, and remember, you find all the links in the description to everything you need in this tutorial. And if you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps my channel, and I can bring even more tutorials to you. Feel free to join the Facebook group as well, where we share our tips and tricks how to use Canva both for designing and crafting. Take care. Bye bye.